afternoon. We're gonna have our breakfast together with my baby here, Lemon. Which one do you like, baby? The egg. You like egg? This one? Oh, this is your palaman. And the fried rice.
Mama, ano ba yung spoon ko?
First, ay, sorry naman po. Kiss ko muna. Ay! My baby! Yes. And we have this pan. Gardenia.
Ina Sigma.
Yes. Complete with banana. Hello, hello. So let's eat po.
What if it gets invaded by fruit flies?
What? What's that again?
What if it gets invaded by fruit flies?
Fruit fly. Oh my God. You'll have invention of fruit flies. Alinis po ang kamay ko. Nagugas po ako. Mm. Mm.
Ay naman.
Let's have breakfast. Happy meal. Ay. Jolly meal. Ay.
Jollibee.
Basta you eat healthy food.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. McDonald's.
Mag-suggest din.
Mm. And the airplane. Toot. Ganun ba tunog ng airplane? Ayan po talaga para kumain ng madami ang bebe.
I got just for me to want more food.
Don't speak when your mouth is full.
What? What?
Because your epiglottis might not function well, part of the food will enter your larynx and you might choke or cough it up. That's my lecture in science. Right,
Will a
students?
monster here come out my mouth?
Kain na nga kami. Naligalig to. Happy eating. Happy breakfast.
Happy New Year!
Ha? Happy New Year. Masyadong advanced.
No, don't end it. Ah!
Why? You want people to see how you eat? Just the two of us po. Kasi tulog pa po ang dalawa ko pang anak, si Luis at si Leslie.
Ang
So,
saan nung chubby ate ko?
Chubby ate mo, si Ate Erica is with her fiancé.
Her fiancé.
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 Loloko mo. She doesn't want to eat. Ay, mali. She doesn't want to end.
What? And what? I offended.
What?
I offended.
Am I offended? If you're not going to eat my fried rice, I will be offended.
Ay, ano ba?
Kasi may bread pa. I love the egg and the sausage.
Si Mangna.
Yeah. And we're using this. Becca naman. Joke lang. Mm. Mm. Oh, chew it properly. Mm. Water? Chew it properly. Do it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Do you love mama? Do you love mama? What? Oh, doon po siya. Love mama? Ano bibig mo, babe? Siya po yung lagi kong kasama. Kasi, si Luis ko po, yung only boy ko, ano po siya, diagnosed with autism. So, minsan ko lang siya sinasama. Pagka, type ko lang, uy! Look properly. Yan, kaka-Roblox nito.
I wanna be funny.
You wanna be funny? I want you to be pretty.
Want to be funny? I'm gonna...
Oh, you finish your food first. Sisira na naman ngipin. This is Hungarian sausage.
This is hungry sausage.
Hungry, yeah. It's from Hungary. And this is, di ba sunog? Gayon to magluto na.
Sunog sedge.
Gusto ko kasi luto-luto.
Sunog sedge.
Para
Sunog
mamamatay.
dog.
Yan. Para patayang kung ano man.
Anong patay? Papa.
Hindi naman sunog na sunog ako.
Sunog ka?
Yeah. Get my coffee?
That's not coffee, ma.
Enjoy your coffee. But it's water. Yan. Finish your bread. So it's time for your rice. Yeah. Actually, minsan ko lang to sinusubuan. Pag gusto ko maglambing. Sa kanya na lang ako nakakapaglambing kasi malalaki na yung anak ko. Wala na ako malambingan.
Labing.
Lambing. Say lambing. Lam.
Labi. Labi.
No, not labi. Labi is lip. Lambing.
Lambing. Labing bing.
I wanna be sweet.
Labing
Oh,
bing.
shush. I wanna be sweet.
Ha? Ako, candy?
Yeah? Ikaw, candy? At mo Tagalog. Are you a foreigner? Hmm? Are you a foreigner, anak?
I'm not a foreigner, ma.
You're Peppa Pig. You're Peppa Pig baby. That's why you talk that way. Or you're a streamer baby.
I am a gamer baby. Gaga.
This first. Yeah, okay.
Wow! Yung egg naman, I missed it.
You missed the egg? Ah! That's not the egg! Very good. Off ka na.
No!
No. Oh, napasarap sa pagmumukbang tong baby ko. This is mukbang. Mukbang to the lowest level. Lowest level?
Mukbang to the lowest rate of richness.
Ah,
Joke lang, ma!
hindi man tayo rich sa pera. Rich ka naman sa love ni mama.
Ay, maayos ko naman sila.
Joke lang.
Eh, simukaw.
Ah, okay. She is Lindsay.
Mawala, I love to po. Joke lang.
Say your name properly.
Lindsay Moana Vinit R.A. Pertes.
Lindsay Moana Venice Bernardi Pertes. Nickname?
Oh,
Lemon. Ayaw niya ng lemon. Lemon.
Le.
Lemon.
Le.
Why did I name you Lemon?
Because I am a lemon.
Because you're a lemon. So you're sour?
Eh, di maasim ako.
Edi maasim ako. Maasim ka po. You're so sweet kaya. Yeah.
Naasim ako.
You're so-
Sinigil ko. Eh, asim ako. Dinagi.
Are you already in your puberty?
Yes,
Yes.
my hair is growing.
Yeah. And it's normal. Well,
Oh, mama, ano ba? Hindi. Anak ko. Net.
I love you. This is my happy pill. She's my happy pill. My sleeping pill.
Sleeping pill then. Mama, I need more water.
Okay.
I'm feeling like the average African kid right now on the planet.
So, tapos na kami.
No, not yet.
We have to finish now. I'm gonna drink my coffee pa. Coffee is life. Once or twice a day. Okay.
14 twice a day.
So, bye-bye na say bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
We're not done yet. We're
Subscribe.
not done yet.
Like. Makulit po ito.
Hindi ako, ano ba?
Hindi ka ano?
Makulit.
Hindi ka makulit. Eh, ano ka? Makulit.